Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Quick and very helpful video guys to any of you having a GMC Sierra that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuse and the relay for the cigarette lighters, also known as power outlets, we're going to explain about all of them. Front, rear, in the armrest, all fuses that control the cigarette lighters, also known as power outlets, status, we'll explain about that. And guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on these guys 2017 GMC Sierra that we have right here, where you can expect to find these fuses. We will be working mostly in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the driver door. The moment you open the driver door guys, okay, you see on the side of the dash right here, you have that cover. You pry it open and behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, what do we need to check specifically? Let's zoom in a little bit. We need to start checking fuse number 1, very important fuse. Also, here, that fuse is known as fuse number 11, or it could be fuse number 10, depending whether it's on this side or that side. That fuse will need to be checked too. Next, you need to check fuse number 12, very important fuse. After that, open the passenger door. The moment you open the passenger door, you have the same scenario. You see that cover here, pry it open. Behind it, you have almost identical fuse box. And here guys, we need to check 2 more fuses specifically for that. Where we're talking now, okay, fuse number 1. Fuse number 1 is right here, and then fuse number 2. Those are the main cigarette lighter power outlet fuses that you will need to check guys on your GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.